Hello students, let us new topic measurement of temperatures 11 unit. The level of hotness and coldness are called temperatures. The level of hotness and coldness are called temperatures. The degree is a measure of temperature on thermometer. There are two types of thermometers, Celsius thermometers, Fahrenheit thermometers. Now interconversion of Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Measurement in degree Fahrenheit equal to measurement in degree Celsius multiply 9/5 plus 32. Second point, measurement in degree Celsius equal to measurement in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply 5/9. Now example 1. Convert 40 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Now we write given temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Measurement in degree Fahrenheit equal to measurement in degree Celsius multiply 9/5 plus 32. Given Celsius 40 degree. 40 multiply 9/5 plus 32. 5 1 5. 5 8 40. 8 9 72 plus 32. We get 104 degree Fahrenheit. Hence temperature 40 degree Celsius is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Now remember the temperature of a normal healthy person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. Example second, convert 68 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Now, given temperature 68 degree Fahrenheit, measure in degree Celsius equal to 5.9, measure in Fahrenheit minus 32. 5.9 multiply 68 minus 32. 68 minus 32, we get 36. 9 1 9. 9 4 36. 5 4 20 degree Celsius. Hence temperature 60 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 20 degree Celsius. Now question number 1. Change to Fahrenheit scale. A part 15 degree Celsius. Given temperature 15 degree Celsius. Measure in degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 multiply measure in degree Celsius plus 32. 9/5 multiply 15 plus 32. Value of degree Celsius is 15 degree Celsius. So write 15. 9 1 9. Sorry, 5 1 5. 5 3 15. 5 1 5. 5 3 15. 9 3 27 plus 32. We get 59 degree Fahrenheit. Hence temperature equal to 15 degree Celsius is equal to 59 degree Fahrenheit. 59 degree Fahrenheit. 59 degree Fahrenheit. Now B part, given temperature 20 degree Celsius, measure in degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 multiply measure in degree Celsius plus 32. 9/5 given degree Celsius 20. 20 plus 32. 5 1 5. 5 4 20. 9 4 36 plus 32. 36 plus 32 we get 68 degree Fahrenheit. Hence temperature equal to 20 degree Celsius is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. Now C part, given temperature 25 degree Celsius, measure in degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 multiply measure in degree Celsius plus 32. 9/5 multiply given temperature 25 degree Celsius, so write 25 plus 32. 5 1 5. 5 5 25. 9 5 45 plus 32 we get 77 Fahrenheit. Hence temperature equal to 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit. This is your required answer. Now question number 2. Change to Celsius case. Part 1, 41 degree Fahrenheit. Now measure in degree Celsius equal to 5.9 bracket measure in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 equal to 5.9 multiply measure in degree Fahrenheit, that is 41 minus 32. 41 minus 32 we get 9. 5 upon 9 multiply 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. We get only 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius. Hence temperature equal to 41 degree Fahrenheit equal to 5 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Now second part, given temperature 95 degree Fahrenheit, measure in degree Celsius equal to 5.9 multiply measure in degree Fahrenheit minus 32. 5.9 multiply measure in degree Fahrenheit, that is 95 minus 32. 5.9 multiply 95 minus 32, we get 63. We get 63. 9 1 ja 9. 9 7 ja 63. 5 7 ja 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degree Celsius. Hence temperature equal to 95 degree Fahrenheit equal to 35 degree Celsius. This is your answer. Now question number 3. Circle the temperature possible in the situation cold weather, that is 5 degree Celsius. Now second point, cool weather, that is 15 degrees Celsius. Cool weather range is 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. So cool weather is 25 degrees Celsius. Now hot bath, that is 42 degrees Celsius. Hot milk, that is 45 degrees Celsius. Low fever, it is about 38 degrees Celsius. Now circle 38 degrees Celsius. Cold drink, that is 15 degrees Celsius. Now high fever is 39 degrees Celsius. Now circle in 39 degrees Celsius, that is high fever, 39 degrees Celsius. Now hot weather is 35 degrees Celsius. This is your hot weather. Range is 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Now circle in 35 degrees Celsius. Very high fever is 42 degrees Celsius. Very high fever is, that is 40 degrees Celsius. So we write in circle 42 degrees Celsius. Our body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature of normal healthy person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. When body temperature rise above normal temperature, it has fever. Now 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, that is very hot weather. It is very hot weather. Now 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, that is cold weather. It is cold weather. Range of degree is more in Fahrenheit thermometer. That is more degree in Fahrenheit. Now do exercise 11.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.